Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung TV model and why this matters. Most Samsung TVs use Tizen, not Android, so you may need an alternative approach. Once done, enable developer mode or enable USB/debugging features if your model allows it. This opens installation options. Make sure you have a Google account signed in on a device, and prepare a USB drive or a computer on the same network to transfer files. These are the first actionable steps to get going. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Acquire a version of the Google Play Store and required Google services, APKs that match Android TV architecture. This is why exact model info matters. Once you've downloaded them, transfer the files to your USB or set up an SMB/FTP share so your TV can access them. Then use the TV's file manager or a sideloading app to install the core Google services first, followed by the Play Store. Install order prevents crashes. Finish by signing into Google Play and granting permissions so services can run. This completes the installation and lets you download apps. Make sure to reboot the TV after installing services and update any Google components. This stabilizes operation. If Play Store refuses to open or apps fail, clear app data for Google Play services, reinstall APKs in the correct order, or as a last resort, perform a factory reset. These steps fix most compatibility and signing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.